Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Right, today I'm going to be taking a look at accident whilst travelling on the bus, offering you some completely free advice along with information on how you can speak to a law firm completely free of charge in order to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation. Public transport plays a vital role in many of our lives, as some people have no choice but to rely on public transport in order to get around. But like any vehicle out on the road, if you're travelling in one, there's a chance that you may be involved in an accident. The good news is that if you're involved in an accident whilst travelling on the bus and it wasn't your fault, then you may be entitled to compensation. The likelihood of being to blame for a road traffic accident whilst travelling as a passenger on the bus is incredibly slim. I'll shortly be detailing how you can speak to someone from a law firm completely free of charge. But first, in terms of advice that you're able to take away directly from this video, I'm going to go over some tips that we recommend that you follow in order to help strengthen any personal injury claim you wish to bring for an accident whilst travelling on the bus. One of the first things that we recommend you do is to take photographs at the scene of the accident, including all vehicles involved and their registration plates. Check with the driver to see if the bus has CCTV, and if it does, whether or not they're aware that it's working. You should also get the driver's name and their badge number. It'll also be a good idea to write down the bus route and the operator's name, and if you do have one, keep a copy of your bus ticket. You should also have your injuries assessed by a medical professional. Make a note of when this assessment had taken place, as it will make it much easier to track down records should we wish to get a copy of them at a later date. Write down any expenses that you've incurred as a result of the incident, including medical and travel expenses, plus any loss of income or loss of potential future earnings. Now, if you'd like to speak to someone from a legal firm completely free of charge in order to see whether or not you have a case with merit, you can contact legalexpert.co.uk 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676, or you can visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk, where we'll do our best to help you establish what your best course of action is. If we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a successful claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. That means that you don't have to worry about paying any upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are road traffic accident claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.